sir? Sir, what is the name of road?
Dito, papunta Port Magsaysay, Barangay Militar.
Sir, can I speak you English, sir? English?
English?
Yes, sir?
Yeah, this road is going to Port Magsaysay.
Okay. Sir, what, left turn. This is the left turn.
Left turn.
On the road. What is the name of road? On the crossing.
No.
Because my way is not
You're going to Cabanatuan.
No, I'm going to Dingalan.
Yeah, the left side.
What
Go
is the name?
straight.
What is the name of the road? Left turn, sir.
Don't know.